Hello friends! Today I will show you how to easily and quickly create decorative perforations on a surface in Blender. Let's start by importing an image into the scene. Go to the Object menu, Convert, and select Trace Image to Grease Pencil. OK. Hide the original image. Now let's convert our grease pencil to a curve. Right-click, select Convert to, and then Polygon Curve. Hide the grease pencil. Next, let's convert the curve to a mesh. Right-click, select Convert to Mesh. In Edit mode, select all and merge nearby vertices. M by distance. In Edit mode, delete unnecessary vertices. Now select all and use the Loop Tools add-in to make the holes circular. Go to the Geometry Node Editor and create a new modifier. Now add the Mesh to Curve node. Then add the Resample Curve node. Change the method to length so that the number of segments on the circles depends on the circle's diameter. In my case, I set the value to 1.6 centimeters. Add the Quadrilateral node. Next, add the Join Geometry node and combine it with the rectangle. Adjust the size of the rectangle. Now add the Fill Curve node. This may take some time for calculations in Blender. That's it! Now all that's left is to convert it to a mesh. This process may also take some time. And there you have it! Now you can add thickness and start working with the resulting geometry. Thanks for watching and good luck with your creativity.